mathematics. So addition, subtraction, multiplication. So in this reasoning, mathematical operation means whenever they will give the problem, okay, how we can solve the step by step. So we can have different mathematical operations. So whenever you can have the different mathematical operation, how we can solve by step. Okay, so for this one already you heard that we have the one code for that one, that is board mass. That is board mass. So instead of this one we can have one more letter also, that is called as a V. V nothing but vinculum. So what is the vinculum? So it should be nothing but a single line above the number. It is nothing but a single line above the number. Okay. So first of all, see here V board mass. So V board mass means whenever we can have the problem. For example, if you have the problem like should be 3 plus 4 minus 2, 3 plus 5 into 6. Okay, so how you can solve this problem? So what is this one? How you can solve this one? So which one you need to do this one? First one which you need to do in this manner, or you need to follow this one? So you need to follow this one. So vinculum board mass. So here vinculum, this one here, brackets of D means division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So V board mass. So how you can follow this one from your left to right? So first you need to, whenever you have the any expression, first you need to start from this one. First V, vinculum, next brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So in this manner you can solve your problem. So first you need to go for the vinculum. So just I will give the one simple explanation. What is the vinculum bracket? For example, 43 bar. So this bar is called as a vinculum. Vinculum. So 43. So first place, second, nothing but 10th position. So how you can do this one means 40 minus 3. 40 minus 3. For example, 436. 436. How you can do this means 400 minus 36. 1, 2, 3. So 100 once, tens place, 100 place. So 400. So the number does not having the vinculum bracket. So you need to go for this zeros here. 400 minus 36. So in this manner you can go for the vinculum. So vinculum should be given the rare conditions. Just for your understanding, I have given the how you can solve that. So most probably you can go for the board mass only. So brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So whenever you have the any long expression to solve this one, you need to follow this one, board mass. So some rare cases you can have this one also, vinculum also. Whenever you can have vinculum, first you need to prefer for the vinculum, then go for the board mass. Okay. So next, in the mathematical operation you have the two types. One is simple mathematical operation. Next one is inequalities. We have two models of problems here. One is simple mathematical operation, one is inequalities. Okay. So first, now we will go for the what is the simple mathematical operations. Now we will take the one example from this one. See, if into means minus, divide by means plus means into, then 18 into 5 divided by 5 plus 6, what is the expression for this one? So in this one, first of all you need to replace these operations as per the question. See, first of all 18. So into means what here? Minus 5. Divide by means what here? Plus 5. Plus means what here? Into 6 here. Okay, now you follow the V board mass. V board mass. Now, here. So, in this order, from left to right. From left to right. Here you can have subtraction, addition, multiplication. Only 3 operations you have. So, multiplication, addition, subtract. In this manner you need to do here. So first of all, which one we need to go for? This one. Multiplication we go for this. So first of all, this one. Okay, 18 minus 5 plus 30. Okay, so then addition. So addition means how you can add here. Here minus is there, here plus is there. So you need to add these two, 18 plus 30, not this one here. Okay, so it will go for the subtraction here. So here first of all you need to go for the addition operation. So addition operation means you need to add these two. Okay, be careful. For example, if it is plus, no, don't go for the 30 plus 5, 35 like this one. Okay, so because here minus 5 is there. Now 30. So see, 18 plus 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5. So 38 minus, sorry, 48. 48 minus 5 is equal to 43. So this is your option. This is your correct option. Okay. Now we will go for the another example. See, which one of the given interchanges in signs would be make the given equation correct. So they are given the two interchange signs. Whenever you interchange that this in this option two signs, so this equal to this, nothing but left hand side will be equal to your right hand side value. Okay, so first of all we will go for the first option here. So 10 here, nothing but here what here, minus, instead of minus you need to replace here division, instead of minus you need to replace the division here. Okay, see, 10 divided by 2 here. Next, plus is as it is here, 9 into 2 is as it is, division replacement is minus 4. Okay, now see, these two replacement should be happen here. Okay, now follow the V board mass. V board mass. Okay, so first one is division here. So 10 divided by 2, 5 plus 9 into 2 minus 4. Okay, so again after division multiplication, so 5 plus these two, 18 minus 4. Okay, after multiplication addition, so 5 plus 18, 23 minus 4 is nothing but is equal to 19. 23 minus 4 is equal to 19. Here also 19 here, correct this one, 19 here. So this is the, so luckily we have first option is the your correct option. Okay, now we will go for the another example. See here, 5, it is not multiplication symbol here, it is the asterisk symbol. 5 asterisk 3 is equal to 16, 9 asterisk 8 is equal to 17 in this manner. So what is the 7 asterisk 8 is equal to, if you observe closely, observe here, 5 3 is equal to 16, nothing but here 5 asterisk 3 is equal to 16 means 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 is equal to 16 here. In the same manner, whether it is satisfied for the all the expression or not, just we will check here. So 9 asterisk 8 is equal to 72 plus 1 is equal to 73. Next, 6 asterisk 7, 6 7 ja 42 plus 1 43. The same manner 7 asterisk 8 is equal to 7 8 ja 56 plus 1 is equal to 57. So this is your option. Okay. Now we will go for the another model in the mathematical operation, that is called as the inequalities. So what is generally inequalities? For example, if you take the A is equal to B, this is the one of the case, A is equal to B. So this is nothing but is equal to, A is equal to B. So for example, A greater than B, A greater than b. So this is called as a inequality. This is called as a inequality. So next, a less than b. This is also inequality. This is also inequality. So now, for example, if you observe these three, a is equal to b means what here? A is equal to exactly is equal to b. So a is not greater than b and a is not less than b. So it does not satisfy these two conditions. Only a is equal to b. In the same manner, a is greater than b. So a greater than b means what here? A is not equal to b. A is not less than b. For example, see this one here. How we can write this one here? A is not greater than b and a is not less than b here. The same manner here. So how we can write here? A is not equal to b. A is not equal to b and a is not less than b. A is not less than b. So in the same manner for this one also, a is not equal to b and a is not greater than b. So here what we understood here, inequalities means it is not equal. It not satisfy the equal condition. Not satisfy the equal condition. So for example, you see here how we can here. For example, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. This case is called as a equality. This is called as a equality. See, 4 into 3 is not equal to 10. It is not equal to 10. This is called as a inequality. It is called as a inequality. So how can we write this expression? 4 into 3 is not equal to 10. So not equal to 10 means what here? Actually 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So here it is 10. So which symbol we need to put here? 12 is greater than 10. 12 is greater than 10. So this is called as a inequality. This is called as a inequality. Simply nothing but they will give the statements here. So statements and conclusion. So instead of statement and conclusion, you need to go for the which one is satisfy your conclusion. Whether either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2. See here. We can go for other one also. For example, a greater than or equal to b. A greater than or equal to b means what here? Here we have two options here. So one is a greater than b and or a is equal to b. But a is not less than b. But here a not less than b. The same manner, a is not less than or equal to b means a is less than b or a is equal to b. But a is not greater than b. In this manner, you can have to go for your expressions here. Now we will see the next, we will go for the how we can have the statements and conclusions you can have. Now see here one statement is there. What is the statement? Means x greater than y greater than z. So how we can write the conclusion for this one? How we can write the conclusion for this one? See, x greater than y, y greater than z. So which one is bigger value in this one here? X greater than y. Okay, x is the large value than y. Next, y greater than z. So z is larger than y. Okay, so x is larger than y. So how can we write here? Finally, we can write one conclusion here. X greater than z. Because this value is less than x, this value y also less than x. So that's why we can have x greater than z. This is the one. Next, same statement, x less than y less than z. Conclusion, how can we write the conclusion here? X less than y less than z. So x less than z. Next we go for the other one. Statement here, x greater than y, y greater than or equal to z. Y greater than or equal to z. How we can write the conclusion for this one? See, x is greater than y, x is larger than y. So y is larger than or equal to z. So here we can have two possibilities here. So two possibilities here. What two possibilities here? Y is greater than greater than or equal to z here. So the value should be greater than or equal to z. So how we can write the expression for this one x and z? We can't confirm that whether it should be equal to like this in this manner, because here we have the only single expression here, but here we have two possibilities here, greater than or equal to. So from this indefinite we cannot define this one here. This we cannot define this one. Okay. So in this manner you can have the statement and conclusion. So we need to conclude this one long expression. We need to conclude this one. So we can go for the based upon this operation. We need to finally conclude this one. Okay. Now see an example from the inequalities. See here the options here. These are the options. You need to which one should be correct here. So if only conclusion 1 follows. So first of all, see the statement is given here, x greater than y, y greater than z, z greater than h. So conclusion, first conclusion what is x greater than z, second conclusion is h greater than x. In these two conclusion, whether which one should be correct, whether two are correct. So these are the options you have. So these are the options here. So first of all we go for the statement here. So what is the statement here? X greater than y, comma y greater than z, comma z greater than h. Okay. So first we will take these two here. First we will take these two. X greater than y, y greater than z. So x greater than y, comma y greater than z. See here. So x is larger than y and y is larger than z. So how we can write here? X is greater than y, y is greater than z here. Y is greater than z. Now z is greater than h here, y is greater than z, z is greater than h. So again z is greater than h here, z is greater than h here. Okay. Now so this is the conclusion. First conclusion what here is x is greater than z. So now see here, x is greater than y, y is greater than z here. So x, so this is from in this manner here. In this manner, so greater value, which one is greater value here? So x is the greater value from the all the other alphabets here, y, z, h. X is the larger value because x is left side, x is greater than y, y is greater than z is greater than h here. Okay. So which one is greater here? X is greater. So x is greater than all the other alphabets here. Okay. So x is greater than z. So this is correct or not? So this is correct because x is larger than all the three other values. X is, this is correct. Next, h is greater than x. H is greater than, but h is the last value, least value. So nothing but h is the very small compared to the other value. So this is not satisfy the given expression. So only conclusion 1 is correct. Only conclusion 1 is correct. Which one is? If only conclusion 1 follows. If only conclusion 1 follows. Okay. So in this manner you need to, from the given expression you need to write the expression. You can have the final level of expression should be there. From this you can go for the your conclusions 1, 2 here. So which one should be correct? Whether the based upon the options here. So for example, if you observe the option here, if only conclusion 1 follows, next if only conclusion 2 follows, if either conclusion 1 or 2 follows, either for example you can have other expression, so that should be go for this manner. So if neither conclusion 1 or 2 follows, both should be not follows. Here both should be follows. In this manner you can go for the your based upon the option you have satisfy your conclusions here. Okay.